Stemkit Conceptual Maths Grade 5.
Multiplying with a 3-digit multiplier. Let's learn how. The number in the top row, 847, is called the multiplicand. The number in the second row, 164, is called the multiplier. When multiplying, the first row is when multiplicand is multiplied by units digit of the multiplier, or 847 into 4. The second row is multiplicand multiplied by the tens digit of the multiplier, or 847 into 6, followed by a 0. The third row is multiplicand multiplied by the hundredths digit of the multiplier, or 847 into 1, followed by 0, 0. Finally, we add the two rows to get the product. Let's multiply 847 by 164. Here 164 is the multiplier. We will show the calculations on the right so you understand better. First, we multiply the unit of the multiplier with the number, from right to left. 7 into 4 equals 28. We write 8 and carry over 2. Four into 4 equals 16. Add plus 2 carryover from the previous multiplication. Gets us 18. Write 8 and carry over 1. Eight into 4 equals 32. Add 1 carryover. We get 33. Write 33. Let us now multiply the multiplicand with tens of the multiplier. Since it is tens, place value of 6 in multiplier 164 is actually 60. We put a 0 or a cross in the units digit. 7 into 6 equals 42. Write 2, carry over 4. Next, 4 into 6 equals 24. Add carryover 4 from previous multiplication. We get 28. Next, 8 into 6 equals 48. Add 48 and carry over 2 from previous multiplication to get 50. We write 50. Now we will multiply the hundredths digit of the multiplier, 1. Place value of 1 in multiplier 164 is actually 100. We put 2 zeros on the right. 7 into 1 equals 7. 4 into 1 equals 4. We write 4. Eight into 1 equals 8. We write 8. Now that we have multiplied all 3 digits of the multiplier, let us add. Adding, we get 138, 908. Now you know how to multiply with a 3-digit multiplier. The process of multiplying with a 4-digit multiplier is the same. Let us cover it quickly. As you know, to multiply 1847 with 5064, we first multiply 1847 with unit digit of multiplier, 4. 1847 into 4 equals 7,388. Write 7388 in first row. Next we multiply 1847 by 60. Because place value of 6 is 60. We multiply 1847 into 6 and add a 0. We have 110820 in the second row. Next we multiply 1847 by 0. We fill zeros in the row for easy calculation. Next, we multiply 1847 into 5,000, because place value of 5 in 5064 is 5,000. We multiply 1847 into 5 and add 3 zeros. 1847 into 5 equals 9,235. So we place 9235 followed by 3 zeros. Now we add. And we have the answer. Insert commas to divide the periods. And that is how we multiply with a 4-digit multiplier.